Hello, my people. How are you? I welcome you guys to this crypto tutorial today. In this video, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make 5 to 10x from airdrop. Okay, so you're gonna make money from airdrop, and a lot of people have become millionaire. A lot of people have made cool money from airdrop. So today I come across an airdrop which I think every one of you need to know and participate in the particular airdrop, because the airdrop is owned by a crypto trading platform, which we all should be expecting something good from it, because it's a crypto platform that owns this particular airdrop. Then we should expect it go live and come out in a good value. So that's why I'm recommending this airdrop today. I don't actually usually recommend airdrop. This particular transfer platform is the one that dropped this token, which is OKB. So this OKB token, and this token today, it worth $49 per one as for today. And also they dropped their new token as well, MATIC, which is worth $0.6898 for today. So this platform, they have dropped a lot of token that are actually doing well, and then for them to also bring up this new token, then they have a greater plan. And for us to not talk too much and dive into this tutorial, so I will drop the link in the video description of it, of this platform we're talking about. And the trading platform that has this token is called OKX. Okay, OKX are the platform we're talking about. Here is my account, you guys can see here. So my account to the OKS, you can see if you come to the wallet section, they have exchange and wallets. The exchange is where you do your trade, and the wallet is where you go to the wallet and then select the particular network and see your balance on it. So your email is going to be banned on it, just like this. Okay, and you can have multiple smart accounts. So but now we are going to talk about the mining platform. So the link is going to be in the video description, and then after you register, there will be a invitation code that you need to input to claim your bonus. Now
depois de uma pré-venda de sucesso.
So it's just like a social media app platform where you watch video, you do activities to earn their token. Okay, so
Eles prometeram e cumpriram a listagem no CoinMarketCap, um projeto que tem menos de uma semana de existência e já deu passos gigantes no mercado de criptomoedas. Agora rumores agitam a sua comunidade que uma listagem na gigante mexicana Mex está prestes a acontecer. Será...
Alright, here, so you see it loading here, and when it loads round, then you collect that particular token and you keep on going. So let me just show you guys, because
hey, OKX, let's get into crypto news. Nike and EA Sports have announced a partnership.
They are not going to stick on one video, because when this thing loads, there's a few seconds on that particular video, it will stop loading, so you need to scroll down again.
That will introduce NFTs into EA's suite of sports games via Nike's .swoosh Web3 initiative. The quote, virtual creations will reportedly be incorporated.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about Bitrue exchange. Well, I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about this exchange called Bitrue, but may have not ever used it. So,
Com uma pré-venda de sucesso, mais de 150 BNBs arrecadados, eles acabaram de lançar o seu token no mercado, valorizando assim.
Dive into the world of crypto and how it's taking over the world. From Europe to the US, people all over the world are embracing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more.
It's very move So if I come down to this spot where you're seeing the airdrop sign, at this particular point where you see the airdrop sign, so if I come down there, you see airdrop sign there. If I click it, you see it's showing on green, so you can see how much token I've earned for today. I've earned over 2000 plus 2700 plus, which is a great amount. And if I continue watching, I continue on the platform, I'll earn more. Now, how do you boost the earning? You come to this place, okay, tax. You could go to the tax point, then you log in your TikTok, Twitter, sorry, your Twitter, you do some posts and complete the tax you're going to see here. Now, how do you log in your Twitter, X called formerly known as Twitter, X formerly known as Twitter, or Twitter, Twitter is now X, yeah. So X formerly known as Twitter. So no, before we do know it as Twitter. So you need to come here, and here where you are seeing my own name showing there on that X sign. So you are going to see connect there, and then you click, let me highlight it on this spot, then you click the connect and then connect it, and you click here to join the all these places and fulfill it, to join the Telegram and the rest, to join the Discord. So make sure you join all these things, and then to be able to win your cash prize. Okay, so because it's help you to boost, and then upload your thumbnail, and you can also upload on the daily.
Com a capitalização do mercado.
And then you can watch video, just come to the plus and then upload and share it to this thing, and then earn 100 plus on a daily basis, and you can share up to 5 to 6 every day and continue earning with that method.
De criptomoedas chega. Fala, galera.
What I will recommend you guys now to use the link in the video description. When you use that particular link now in the video description, you are going to earn 500 of this token. Okay, you are going to earn the 500, and then you just use the invitation code, and you're going to see this code here. You can see me, I use somebody's own. You can see the person showing there. So you use it to claim your points. Okay, use it to claim your points. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Okay, I hope it's very helpful, and if it's helpful, please make sure you like the video as much the like button. And then people will say, how do we withdraw it? They will ask you to connect your there will be a space ask you to connect your X. Okay, so if you come to this, if you go to the home page, the airdrop, you see cash out. On that cash out, let me take you guys through it so you can understand everything, and at least it will help to reduce of question in the group. You say cash it out now. So this cash out now here, if I click it, it's going to load and take me to Play Store. Okay, it's going to take me to Play Store. Yeah, then because I already downloaded it, I open because I already have it. So when you have created the account and then fill in every details of this, okay, so there will be a link on this X in the video description. So just click on that link and then create account on the X, and then create the other account before you proceed. So you come down, you see loading. I want to show you where you are going to get the address you are going to link. All right, it has loaded. So on this particular page like this, you can see this other address here. So they will ask you to input Ethereum, BNB. So if it's BNB, just click the BNB and then copy the BNB address. Okay, copy the BNB address and then paste. If it's the Ethereum, you copy the Ethereum address and paste, and then input on it. But before you get to that particular step, they will ask you to input there's another code, use something that will ask you to input. So let me see. For now, instead of wallet, I'm down to exchange. On the exchange, if I click access, assets. You're going to click this. Let me highlight it. Why I'm doing all this thing to be clear, you're going to click that particular button, because I don't want so much question in the comment section. At least, like, I want everybody to understand everything and take every step. So if you click that place, it's going to show like this. Okay, so when it shows like this, when it shows you like this, you can then decide to, you just click the arrow here, and this code here, UID, you're going to copy this UID. Okay, this UID here, just click the copy sign here and then copy this UID. So you copy it and then you paste it and connect it. Okay, then it's going to be connected. So that is how you are going to do this connection and then start earning from the platform. And when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw and your money will show on this exchange platform here. Okay, it's going to show on this your web3, okay, your web3 address here. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you smash the like button and then turn on the notification if you have subscribed, and if you have not subscribed, turn on the notification, subscribe and turn on the notification so you receive an update whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.